Yo, 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 what is good? Hello? Yep. Everyone, I gotta let the gang know. Honestly, low-key going live is hella hard. Right in between 2 hourlies, so that'll be fun. Is that a 4 hour? Damn. Yeah, it is. If it is a 4 hour, or it will be a 4 hour at 7. Dude, that recent Trump candle is kind of annoying. Alright, let's just let people know I'm live and then figure this shit out. It's pissing me off, dude. Alright, here's market open. You guys see more accounts? I had rebills on these my funded futures, or on these take profits, and then my funded futures gave me funded accounts for the whole alpha futures shenanigans. So W them, honestly. It's giga dubs. I am probably just gonna trade everything at the same time. I'm kind of over uh, not being disciplined, so I'm just gonna be disciplined and take only great setups and see what happens. And if it's a setup issue and I'm just unprofitable, GG's, I guess. Let me turn on financial juice. Get that juicer. Yo, what's good? What's good? Take London highs and go high and sweep. Doesn't London highs assume that we're going up? I don't get it. Go high and sweep? What are we sweeping? I don't know. Yeah, I kind of want to see London highs get taken, if that's what you mean. That would also be, if we could do that, if we could take London highs after 7, that would also take us right into a 4-hour bearish fair value gap. So low key might be a setup, a little swing setup, you know what I'm saying? Honestly, price action was pretty crazy overnight. I was literally here at like, or I was awake for once at like 8:40 when we got that inversion, and I was literally thinking, I was like, what if I just took these shorts right now and see what happens? And then I see the Trump candle tweet, and I was just like, damn it, I should have just done it. I would have been straight down for the morning. But yeah, now we just wait. Damn. What up, guys? How are you doing? Do y'all take a trade in pre-market overnight? Man, I feel like these overnight sessions have been so much cleaner than New York. It kind of makes me sad, because I definitely could not be trading overnight session. It just sucks to see, man. Oh, here's VWAP. All ES trade done in London. Hey, nice, bro. All ES timeframes are all bearish. I know. And I got nothing. Need to get my levels. Thanks for reminding me. I need to plot my levels on ES. 75. 1, 2. Dang, low-key, my levels on ES are fuego, bro. 7, 5, 60. 7, 4, 7, 9. Uh, 7, 4, 5, 4. And 7, 4, 3, 3. Yes, holding here. Same with NASDAQ. And we keep going up. I think it's time to take payout on your Legends 100Ks. These aren't, I can't take, these aren't 100Ks, bro. Oh, this is a sim account, bro. This isn't real. NinjaTrader has like a default sim account that just sits there. It's not a real account. Trust me, if I could, the payout would have already been taken. Is this ES? This is ES. Oh my god. I was like, why does this look so weird? It's literally a different fucking... Projecting off VWAP. I don't know if I like this though. Maybe if we come up to here. Oh no, we haven't swept London highs, never mind. That was almost a bait. I was like, wait a second, we got London highs right above us. How much payout have you taken like throughout my entire prop trading career? Like, is that what you mean? Ever since I started in May of 2024, I think I'm somewhere at like 150,000, maybe a little more. I haven't really calculated in a while, but yeah, I would estimate it somewhere in the 150 plus. Dang, that actually would have been L pattern trade. Good thing I caught it. I almost wanted to take that, but now it's like, wait, we're holding a level where blah blah. Yeah. Hey man, we're all on our own journey, and I think eventually once you do get there, the money will come, so never really have to worry about that with trading. $5K, $100K is all the same once you get the actual skill down. The money is pretty much all the, you know, negligible until you get to like the millions. I spent a lot on evaluations though, so that could also be a thing. If it hits London, should I be looking for the market to go up? Honestly, I don't know the answer to that. I'm personally looking for it to sweep London and then giving me a short entry somewhere, but yeah, I'm personally looking for a short entry. I would love to see us retest that Trump candle, but we may be too far gone. Could be another no trade day, cause honestly, whenever I see NQ slapping around like this, I tend to not really enjoy trading that much, in the sense that like I usually get spanked. For entry, I primarily use the 1 minute. Yeah, this candle right here specifically. I don't know if it was news made it dump like this whole overnight move, but I think that was just a semiconductor sell-off. But I do know that this candle right here, this was definitely made by Trump. And if you want to know specifically what he said, I will post it in my Discord, because I do not believe in saying things like this out loud. At least not not on stream. That shit would literally end my fucking career. I'll post it in if you're in my Discord, I'll post it in the main chat. Can always count on Trump to make the What is going up right now? Oh. Semis are moving the market right now. I was like, what the fuck? Alright, here's London high and into a 4-hour. Dude, why is this so loud? So here we go. It's crazy. Just keep going up. Like, actually insane. Oh, I think this deletes this 4-hour then, huh? Yeah, because we're not technically there yet. Oh, wait. I'm so dumb. No, we are in a 4-hour. I'm trolling. Oh. This crude's still going down. Moving back up. Damn, that's a pretty massive candle. see if we can tap this level that I have here at 29,230. If we can get an inversion off of that while we're inside this 4 hour, that might be a juicer entry, honestly. Damn, really? Come on, tap, wick through that level. Wick through that level for me and then give me that 1 minute. I would take that any day, bro. But it's the fact that we now no longer have to. What's ES doing? I think ES is already, yeah. Damn. I really want to wait for it to touch the level. Actually, I could probably go on a higher time frame and see where this level's from. So this, honestly, this level could be down here. Oh fuck, man. Am I just lying to myself to convince myself to take this 1 minute right now? Here, I'll go one.
Order submitted.
I'm just kind of curious how this would play out if I did it like this. And this all the way down here. I'm very curious to how this plays out. Because ultimately I would love to see this come all the way down to here, which would be an absolutely massive trade. Waiting for PDH. That's valid. I have very low risk on this. But considering that this level could be like anywhere plus or minus, I'm gonna try it. Damn. Smoked! Or maybe not, or maybe not. I'll go break even once we re-break these, if we re-break these lows. It's kind of a tough place to be in, I'm not gonna lie. I'd also expected it to come down faster. That was a pretty sharp candle. It's also holding right above the VWAPs, which is probably less than, less than stellar, but fuck. Fuck it. It's funny because if I had just taken this was like 25. 25 is pretty good. It's holding the VWAPs quite hard. Alright, here's volume pushing us down. I'm gonna go ahead and move break even there. Just because if we find support at VWAP, and now we're re-breaking our level. If we find support there, I don't want this to come back on me and make this a losing trade. If I was in multiple micros, I'd probably trim one here. This is a great question why I only entered one. But yeah, we have support here, so I don't want this to bounce on me and come back. Break even. It's all good. How much do we see right there? 82. So we saw about 30 points, but yeah, you can see we had support there, so I didn't want that to come back on me. 30 points, damn. Alright. I'm gonna log this one real quick since I won't have another trade for a while. So this was 2026, 07, 22, MNQ. We have a short that we entered. Yeah, that was good management at 29,182. 29,182. My risk was about 30 points. Reward, I was going for crazy, honestly. 182. What is that? 182 plus 40. 222. 1 break even. Unfortunately. Maybe we'll get another entry once it retests this. Liquidity sweep, yes. London highs, inversion, yes. 1 minute. Support and resistance, yep. No. Rejection at VWAP bands, no. Targeting buy side and sell side, yes. Change in state of delivery, no. I don't think so. Rejection from higher time frame, yes. 4 hour. Man, my stats are getting cooked. Okay, but now that we have awake to this level, now I'm curious to see what happens. Do I get the shorts now? Waiting for PDH, yeah, I would love. Yo, what up, JIP? Wait for 10 candle. I think it will open high, low, close. 10 a.m. candle. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Nothing wrong with being patient, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yo, what up, Asha? How you doing, bro? Just chilling. Took my first break even. It was low-key kind of a Hail Mary. Lost my account, opened 3 minis, no 3 Michaels. Damn. That sucks. I literally made that mistake yesterday. It's literally one of the worst fucking feelings you could have is making a mistake like that. Damn, I'm sorry, bro. How much do I have from payouts in 1 month? Like this month? What do you mean 1 month? It's kind of vague, bro. Like this month, like on average. What do you mean by that? On average? Fuck. This year it's been trash. Like this is my first like real payout month where I got like 4.5K. Before that I was getting smoked, and then in previous years I was averaging like 6 to 7,000 a month in payouts. But it would be like no payouts one month, 10, 15,000 another month, 2, 3,000 this month, 6 or 7 the next one, stuff like that. So it's kind of weird. Damn, Jip. I'm sorry, bro. I literally have that same thing, especially like on Ninja Trader sometimes. Like I get these charts mixed up and I'm just like on NQ and I just click something stupid and I'm just like, oh shit, I shouldn't have done that. And then I just get fucking zooted. 3 minis, like one little accident is fucking game over. You're not closing once that shit moves like 5 or 6 points against you. Like you at that point you're hoping it comes back to break even, or otherwise you're just like, it's so sad. Yeah, I also work full time. Work full time as a bioengineer. I will admittedly say I definitely make more money working than I do trading. How do I combine trading and work? I have a work schedule that is kind of low-key perfect for trading. So I'm on the West Coast, so the market opens at 6:30 for me, and then my job, or I work full time from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. So yeah, it's literally like my morning schedule is like trade until 8 a.m., go to the gym, and then go to work. It's low-key tiring, but gotta do what I gotta do. Dude, the market is straight buns, dude. Hey, thank you, thank you. It's a lot, but gotta do what I gotta do. Damn, I should have taken that 1-minute inversion off of VWAPs. Could be riding the logs right now. What is it, 0 drawdown? 70 something points. You're just 700 from passing. Looks like I'll be needing the Danzer. Damn, bro. I appreciate. Hey, I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, but I'll have my Lucid giveaways starting again tomorrow. So I hope you win one of those, bro. Let's flip the switch. What does that mean? I don't want to flip the switch. Yeah, admittedly, this is one of my least favorite price actions. It is so bad. Also, working on a trading journal, it's pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. Since you guys are here, I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek. This is what it looks like right now. This is why I keep saying I'm gonna journal my trade after every entry. Getting cooked right now. But that's because I got stop rated twice yesterday, so these losses should have been losses. But so it's like trading journal. You can see it's a copy right now. And then basically what you do, there's a tab on the bottom where you can come in here, enter your or what am I call it? Your trade. Enter the date. You can put in the ticker that you trade, NQESYM gold, or the micro version. I'm just keeping it to the east word, make it simple. Long or short, enter your entry. You type in your risk and reward. I probably should have had just an entry price, stop price, and take profit price, and then had it calculate this on its own. But you know what? I goofed. And then you write down if it's break even, win or loss, and then it'll say your outcome, how much you win or lose, your basically your cumulative balance. And then you can put in your confluences on this side, and it'll track the winning percent ratio for each of your confluences. So I'm kind of curious to see which confluences are the most important. But yeah, I think this is pretty fire. Hey, appreciate you, Jip. I really hope you win one of those accounts. I got 5 Lucid Flex 50k accounts to give away this weekend, next week, so that'll be fun. Oh yeah, I see it. I see your notification. Appreciate you, bro. Oh man, PA is tough. I think, man, maybe I hate it. I hate showing my trading view because I think traders who show their trading view chart as their main window and then just fucking put the longer short boxes, I think they're lying. But I can see why they do it now. I can see why they do it. I don't think that entry would have been like attainable, but like I'm imagining something like this, literally. Something like this. 1 minute inversion straight off the VWAPs. But of course, hindsight is 50-50. Yeah. If you ever tried executing off TradingView, you know that shit is. Not gonna say it, but slow, very slow. Guess we just go straight up. Damn. It's a very slow, very slow, God damn. Where you from? From the West Coast. USA. Team USA. Oh. Shorts finally coming in. Is this what I've been waiting for?
According to China's Xinhua News, China's
Damn,
Minister
kind of
to
sucky.
US's Rubio asked the US to respect China's core address. And China's foreign minister said that he asked the US to address China's legitimate concerns. China says both sides considered the meeting constructive and positive. China says both sides agreed to prepare for the next stage of high-level exchanges.
I'm trying to think if I would have taken profit on this. 182 at 150, 230 points on the dot. Probably not. It probably would have been break even regardless of how many contracts I entered. Oh. It was a very calm market. Even though these candles are like 20 points plus a piece. Let's see if this holds. I like this and I don't at the same time. I just wish there was more structure to work off of. This is like straight up and then... Oh. Someone's gonna tell me there's a 30-second inversion at the top. No, there wasn't. It's really tricky to trade these low volatility days, especially on no news weeks. I feel like so rarely we have no news in an entire week that the market doesn't really know what the fuck to do with it. This is insane. Damn, we're gonna continue back up. I'm down to take this, honestly. ES is struggling though. What would the risk be on this? 37, like 40 points. Oh, did that bruh. Bruh. ES at previous day high? Is it? Holy shit, ES is at previous day high. I didn't even notice that. Damn, the short was way cleaner on ES. I'm curious how that plays out. I'm gonna mark this on my chart. We got that 1 minute here. Wow. Curious to see. I'll show how it plays out in Discord. You still think short? I'm always thinking short, bro. I gotta be the most short biased person here. Like in the whole prop space, I might be the most short biased person. It's pretty bad. Hey, I appreciate it, bro. I think I'm like very like I don't think I'm like sometimes funny. I have my rare moments. Oh, dang it. I didn't realize ES was already tapped previous say hi. Damn, NQ doesn't want to give me an entry. How unfortunate. Yeah, I'm just kind of stuck here waiting to see something that I like. But while the market does its thinking, I'll be right back. I'm gonna step away from the computer. Usually when I do this, it have been wanting to yeah. I'm gonna step away so that price can do something because it low-key does that. So let's let it rip. Let's see if we can get the market to move by stepping away. Usually it does. Let me know. Let me know if the shorts play out. Sounds like the shorts are playing out. That's not good. Hey, look at that. We moved. See, guys? Whenever I step away, the market moves. Hey, ES is going crazy right now. Hey, nice, bro. Hey, we love it when that happens.
Just a heads up, US Trade Representative Greer, currently speaking at the Senate Finance Committee hearing, saying that the US is on its way to an agricultural trade surplus again.
Damn. I gotta pay attention to ES more low key.
US 2-year yield rising about 3 basis points to 4.29%, the highest since February of 2025.
If you don't mind me asking, what does VWAP mean? It means variable weighted average price. Or volume weighted average price, sorry. Whoa, variable. Yeah, volume weighted average price. So it counts in the number of contracts that was traded, or that yeah, that was traded at that price.
Million. Prior was a draw of 1.692 million, with a range of a build of 3.433 million to a draw of 2.311 million. Gasoline inventories looking for a draw of 1.905 million. Prior was a draw of 1.533 million. Distillate inventories forecasted for a build of 0.825 million. Prior was a build of 4.556 million. In crude Cushing inventories, prior was a build of 0.430 million. Just a reminder, last night we had API crude oil stock change coming in as a build of 2.6 million compared to the expected draw of 1.5 million.
Damn, back up we go. Damn, it's a lot of selling volume. It's a lot of selling volume. Fuck. There's too much risk in a trade for me. And we're still holding at VWAP. It's just like the worst combo. Even though ES is like literally making more lower lows, it's wild. ES would have smacked full TP right there. It's insane. Damn. Why couldn't it give me
Trump advisor Kratersios
the
says
top
we have
wick?
information that Moonshot AI distilled Anthropic's fable for the development of its K
220 would have been 45. Damn. What up, Mohammed? How you doing, bro? Hope your morning's going well. Hope you're trading great. Hope you're deep in profits. Unlike me, I'm never going to be able to financially recover from this loss. It's over. Oh, man. I hate slow days like this sometimes.
Large-scale covert industrial distillation aimed at stealing proprietary US technology and undermining American research is unacceptable. So go back to the forecast. Then gasoline inventories look for a draw of 1.905 million. Prior was a draw of 1.533 million. Distillate inventories forecasted for a build of 0.825 million. Prior was a build of 4.556 million. And crude Cushing
Damn, this is crazy. I feel like I haven't seen markets this slow in forever. Just crazy because ES keeps breaking lower and NQ just keeps holding.
Senator Thune said this morning to report that the Clarity Act can be on the floor as soon as this week or next week.
I have no clue. I have no clue if that means NQ, if that means it's about a dump. I'm just like watching, waiting for an entry, and I just don't like it, anything that I'm seeing. It's chopping around so hard. This is crazy. This is actually crazy. I was like, it's days like this where like, if you're impatient, just get absolutely wrecked. And I'm so thankful that I'm a little more patient than I used to be. Alright, later Owanton. Thanks for popping in today. Congrats on your trade, W shorts. This is insane. Oh.
10 seconds ago now, Amazon cuts jobs in its AI General Intelligence Group. Build of 2.01 million, build of 2.01 million compared to the expected draw of 1.95 million. Gasoline inventories a build of 0.765 million compared to the expected draw of 1.905 million. Distilled inventories a build of 1.395 million compared to the expected build of 0.825 million. Cushing inventories a draw of 0.674 million. Apple readies new iMac, MacBook Pros, MacBook Air, and MacBook Neo. Apple is working on future OLED versions of MacBook Air and iMac, and Apple plans overhaul laptops and desktops to meet AI demand. Apple is also planning new Mac Mini and Mac Studios model.
I know trading is about the strategy, it's about you, but have you ever worked with order flow options for Greek and gamma levels? I have not, bro. I've tried order flow before, it's just way too expensive. Like paying for bookmap and order flow is just crazy expensive. I also just don't have that many monitors. Like I would literally need a monitor for every single thing. I just don't got that kind of space. Alright, later, Jip. Hope you feel better, bro. Take some time, recover that mental. It's probably the most important thing you can do right now. Clear your head, bro. I'll see you later. I might call it soon here too. I feel like we're just gonna range for the rest of the day. It's not really my vibe. This might just be a slow week, unfortunately. Yeah, I'm gonna give it 7 more minutes, and if we just stay in this range, I'm gonna just call it, cause this is actually like watching paint dry, dude. It's actually so bad.
US Trade Representative Greer says we can raise China's export restrictions on fertilizer in trade talks, but we need to be realistic about the outcomes.
This is so trash, bro. What are these markets? Oh my days. I should have just stayed asleep. This is crazy. Yeah, giga range bound, bro. There's a big, short order, sell order at 29,290, which is basically the top. Is that 900 contracts? Jeez, bro. So I think we tap that and then we'll see what happens. But I might not have it in me to wait that long. Bro, there's basically nothing pay that doesn't have a free alternative or way of getting it for free. If you want, there's a cracked version of Bookmap and Addis too. I'm currently trading using a crack. Nah, I'm good, bro. Appreciate it, but I'd rather not use this pirating softwares. It's kind of a bad look. I know I don't have to admit it, but yeah, I'm good. I also just don't like the risks that come with downloading pirated software. I don't want to get fried. Yeah, I'm still waiting on my Apex payout. It's kind of stressing me, I'm not gonna lie. If I don't get it by end of the week, I'll be a little sad. I'm not even gonna cap. It's just the wait has just been absolutely insane. Which I don't mind. They said the money was sent. I was just like, damn, bro. It kind of stresses me out a little bit. Like, I would love to buy more accounts and stuff. I don't need to buy more accounts, let's be real, but it's just like the peace of mind when it hits the bank is honestly worth a lot. So I kind of like knowingly go into like trading like with that in mind, like, hey, maybe I should chill out. Like, dude, why does it sound like we're dumping, but there's absolutely no volume? Which is like another reason why I'm like a little gun shy right now. Hopefully, like tonight, tomorrow, it hits the bank so that I can rest easy. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and call it here. We've been range bound for like an hour, so I'm not even gonna try to attempt. Thank you guys for showing up. Tomorrow, I think I'm gonna try to post it before I start stream, but I'm gonna try to have the Instagram giveaway live before going on stream tomorrow. It's a really tough bid, but I'll do my best, and it'll be on Instagram. So yeah, and I'll work on getting the Discord ones back up and running. Just a one-man team right now, so bear with me, guys. But yeah, appreciate y'all for showing up. Hope y'all killed it today. I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace.